Hey all, how you doing today? Welcome to tutorial number 17. This is gonna be our AI series from here now onwards. And in today's tutorial, we are gonna see how once the AI character sees us, how it's gonna equip the weapon. And yeah, it's gonna be a very small, nice and simple one. It's just gonna lay the foundation of how we are gonna create NPC character. And yes, let's get started. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. The information is gonna be in the description, the steps what I'm gonna follow for this video. And yeah, let's get started. Thank you. So I kind of made a bit of a change in the environment. In today's tutorial, we're gonna create a bit of an AI behavior in this character. And let's get started. So I am gonna create a folder. I will name this AI and I'll give this AI color. AI color. Don't know what that means. I like the color of. First thing what we need here is an AI controller. So we go AI controller. We will name this as AI underscore NPC. So this one is what we're going to use for our NPCs, which are these ones. And now we are going to go to our class defaults, and there is going to be AI controller class. Where is AI controller class, which is this one, and I'm going to choose AI NPC. Now let's open this. So first thing, we need to get AI to get a perception, like to see us, to find us through either footstep, audio, or whatever it is. And if we click on AI perception, under census config, we get a new index. We are gonna get AI site config, and here if we expand, few important things which we need to kind of consider here is we have to tick detect neutral, because detect by affiliation is not very supporting in this current version of Unreal Engine. And to really make things work, detection by affiliation is gonna take this to C++, and I want to avoid it. So let's just detect neutrals. So basically anything which has this AI perception is got to be detected. Now let's get this back. Oops. And now we go. I think so we need to go for on target perception info update. Now here, if I break this, so, and you break this one, so the whole idea is on target perception, we need to update target, and on stimulus, we need to kind of give some value on which, if it's satisfied, it's going to detect our character. So for now time being, what we can do is, for the sake of debugging, no need of debugging actually, we are going to just make sure once the character sees us or an NPC sees us, we equip a weapon. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get control pawn, then we get ability system component, and we activate try activate ability by tag. Now from here we can make literal gameplay tag container. Now in this tag contains our abilities, and we are gonna go select these abilities, and so if it is sent successfully, which generates a boolean, if it's true, then it's gonna equip. If it's false, it's gonna unequip. So it's gonna be under input, weapon, equip, and this one, input, weapon, unequip. So the idea is simple. Like if I have to put it on words, when the NPC has a perception where it creates a stimulus, if successfully sensed, it equips, and if it's false, it unequips through our gameplay ability where we get the control pawn. That's the whole idea. So let's see whether it works or not. So I'm gonna like put here, and now it's gonna now I'm gonna hide. He's sitting. So yeah. Now again, I'm behind him, so he's not able to see me. But yeah, that's a simple one. I'm just gonna keep this video short because I'm just too tired. I'm gonna make, like, from now onwards, all the AI videos are gonna be like an hour long, because they do require a bit of an explanation. And yeah, hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.